Okay, so in this problem number 12, we have tangent 20 degrees is equal to um, 100 over x. X is the horizontal distance from the base of the cliff to the boat. And the value of x is 174.7 meters. I hope you take note of this. The solution is wrong, and I'm sorry for that. And then practice problem number 13. An observer standing 80 meters away from a tower measures the angle of elevation to the top as 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So we're given observer is 80 meters from tower base. Angle of elevation 60 degrees. So we are required to determine the height of the tower. So we are going to use the tangent function or the tangent ratio. So the tangent 60 degrees is equal to h over 80. And the final answer is 138.56 meters. This is the correct solution for number 13 and not for number 12. Practice problem number 14. A balloon is 120 meters above the ground. So you can see in the figure 120 meters and then the balloon is on top of it. The angle of elevation of the balloon from a point on the ground is 52 degrees. So we have already the opposite side, which is 120. And how far is the point on the ground from the base of the balloon, vertically above it? So the one that being asked is the adjacent side. Therefore, we are going to use the tangent ratio. So we are given balloon height 120 meters, angle of elevation from the ground point 52 degrees. So we are required the horizontal distance d from that point to the balloon's base. Again, as I've said, our solution is tangent of 52 degrees equals to 120 over the d, where d here is the horizontal distance from the point to the balloon's base. So the final answer is 93.75. Number 15. From the top of the building, 45 meters high, the angle of depression of the car on the street is 38 degrees. How far is the car from the base of the building? So here we are going to use the tangent function because the given is 45 degrees, which is the opposite, and the adjacent is x. So we are given the angle of depression, which is 38 degrees, and that is also the angle of elevation of the building. That's why we are going to use tangent function. So tangent of 38 degrees is equal to 45 over x, which is 57.6 meters. Our MCQ for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 3, solving real-life problems using right and oblique triangles, angles of elevation and depression, and bearings. So number 1, a ladder 6 meters long leans against a wall. making an angle of 70 degrees with the ground. How high does it reach? A. 5.64 meters, B. 5.52 meters, C. 5.78 meters, D. 5.0 meters. Number 2. A ramp 10 meters long makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What is the vertical height of the ramp? Letter A, 4.5 meters, B, 5 meters, C, 6 meters, D, 7.0 meters. MCQ number 3. A triangle has sides 8 meters and 12 meters with an included angle of 60 degrees. Find the third side. So letter A, 10 meters, B, 12 meters, C, 14 meters, D, 16 meters. So number 5, a triangular park has angles 40 degrees, 75 degrees, and 65 degrees. If the side opposite 40 degrees is 12 meters, find the side opposite 75 degrees. A, 15.2 meters, B, 16.8 meters, C, 17.5 meters, D, 18.4 meters. Number 6. In a triangle, sides are 18 centimeters and 24 centimeters with an included angle of 120 degrees. So find the third side. Letter A, 36 centimeters, B, 37 centimeters, C, 38 centimeters, D, 39 centimeters. MCQ number 7. A right triangle has legs 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of the hypotenuse. Letter A, 14 centimeters, B, 15 centimeters, C, 16 centimeters, D, 17 centimeters. Number 8. From a point 40 meters away, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is 45 degrees. How tall is the building? A, 35 meters, B, 38 meters, C, 40 meters, D, 42 meters. Number 9. A kite is flying at a height of 25 meters. If the angle of elevation from the ground is 50 degrees, find the length of the string, assuming it is straight. Letter A, 31.2 meters. Letter B, 32.6 meters. Letter C, 34.2 meters. No, letters D. MCQ number 10. The angle of elevation from a point 60 meters away to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. A, 25 meters, B, 30 meters, C, 32 meters, D, 35 meters. Number 11. A lighthouse is 45 meters high. From a ship, the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse is 20 degrees. How far is the ship from the lighthouse? A, 115 meters, B, 123 meters, C, 128 meters, D, 135 meters. MCQ number 12. An observer on a hill 80 meters high looks at a car on the road below. The angle of depression is 25 degrees. How far is the car from the base of the hill? Letter A, 160 meters. B, 171 meters. C, 173 meters. D, 180 meters. Number 13. A tower casts a shadow 20 meters long. If the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degrees, find the height of the tower. A, 30 meters. B, 32 meters. C, 34 meters. D, 35 meters. MCQ number 14. From the top of a 100-meter cliff, the angle of depression to a boat is 15 degrees. How far is the boat from the base of the cliff? Letter A, 370 meters. Letter B, 373 meters. Letter C, 375 meters. Letter D, 378 meters. MCQ number 15. A ship sails 12 kilometers east, then 5 kilometers north. What is its distance from the starting point? Letter A, 12.5 kilometers. Letter B, 13.0 kilometers. Letter C, 13.5 kilometers. Letter D, 14.0 kilometers. Number 16. A plane flies 100 kilometers on a bearing of 9 north 30 degrees east. How far north has it traveled? Letter A, 50 kilometers. Letter B, 57.5 kilometers. Letter C, 86.6 kilometers. Letter D, 90 kilometers. MCQ number 17. A boat sails 15 kilometers on a bearing of south 45 degrees east. How far east has it traveled? A, 9.9 kilometers. B, 10.6 kilometers. C, 10.8 kilometers. D, 11.2 kilometers. MCQ number 18. From a port, a ship sails 8 kilometers east and then 6 kilometers on a bearing of north 60 degrees east. Find its distance from the port. Letter A, 13 kilometers. Letter B, 13.5 kilometers. C, 14.0 kilometers. Letter D, 14.5 kilometers. Number 19. A ship sails 20 kilometers on a bearing of north 60 degrees east and then 30 kilometers on a bearing of 630 degrees east. Find its distance from the starting point. Letter A, 35 kilometers. B, 36 kilometers. C, 37 kilometers. D, 38 kilometers. Number 20. A hiker walks 10 kilometers on a bearing of north 30 degrees east and then 12 kilometers on a bearing of south 50 degrees east. How far is the hiker from the starting point? Letter A, 15 kilometers. B, 16 kilometers. C, 17 kilometers. D, 18 kilometers. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3, Measurement and Geometry, Lesson Roman numeral number 2.